Welcome to ST Academy. Today we are going to discuss about TSAP Intermediate Exams 2021 for Chemistry Inter Second Year last minute preparation tips. Now the students, you have very less time. In this short time I am telling you a short technique which are the chapters to be covered within a limited time that will help you to get maximum marks in your chemistry second year paper. So the chapters that are very important, the first is the solid state. You go with solid state and solution for SAQs or VSAQs, and for TS that solution is only for LAQs. So remember this. First we will discuss about the LAQ questions. So means first LAQ will come from solution for TS, and the solution is very important for as a SAQs and VSAQs for AP. But if you think from LAQ solution is not important for AP, for Telangana student the solution is very important chapter. Next chapter for LAQ is electrochemistry and chemical kinetics, and this chapter is very important for both the state. One LAQ will come from that chapter. Next chapter is P block. The P block is a very important chapter that is helpful for both the state TS and AP. Next is organic chemistry for LAQs. So students, you may think that can I leave organic chemistry. Most of the students, they ask me a doubt, sir, can I leave organic chemistry? Is a hectic task for me to remember all this formula, I cannot solve. So you can leave organic chemistry. Both TS and AP student, you can leave. If you want last minute preparation tip, you can leave organic chemistry, but remember to practice the VSAQs of organic chemistry. Next, if you come to the SAQ part, this year for Telangana 50% extra choice is there. So for the Telangana student, if you have 50% extra choice, you have a limited chapter. Suppose if you are thorough in solution or in solid state or in surface chemistry or in D and F block elements or in organic chemistry, from these 5-6 chapters you can easily cover up that 6 SAQs. For Telangana, for just reading 6 chapter which carries 6 SAQs, that will definitely help them to give them good marks. Biomolecules also very important chapter for Telangana. As we have given the blueprint, you can check the blueprint, go through with the blueprint and you can practice. So VSAQ part, VSAQs also we have given, read that. And the shortcut trick, sir, this is very big burden, this last minute, can you give me a shortcut trick? So I am telling you, I am giving you 3 guest papers. If those students, if they are not want, if they don't want to buy this guest paper, no, not a problem. But if the students, some are interested to buy the guest papers, just practice these 3 guest papers. I am assuring you, you will get good marks. Just practice these 3 guest papers for only chemistry, last minute preparation. No one tells you to practice this, because I believe my guest papers are the best paper which are designed according to my experience, and after reading, after checking 70% of the syllabus, I have designed these papers. So these papers will help the students to just, and now you will think I want 60. So how? So I will tell you, read the VSAQs which is given in the, I will give the VSAQs also in description. Just read, last minute strategy guys. Just read these 3 guest papers for both the state. So this is Telangana papers, guest paper which is designed for Telangana, because we didn't receive any model paper from the TS from the AP government, so we have not released that one. So for Telangana and AP student, you can also follow that, because the syllabus is almost same, the deletion is almost same for all the means the 30% deletion is same for both of you. So you can also practice, you from that you will get the important question for organic chemistry or both the P block, all the elements. So guys, last minute I am telling you, just buy this guest paper, practice these 3 guest papers and VSAQs of the chemistry which I will give as a description, and the link to purchase the guest paper is given in the description. You can buy from there. So the steps to get the guest paper, we have already uploaded how you can buy online a video. I will give the video description also. In the description the link is given how you can buy, or you can follow the step, click the link which is given in the description. Next, select from there, all the model papers are there, all guest papers are there. To purchase, click here. Next, click on pay now, fill the basic details, write yes and proceed to pay, select the proceed to pay. After completion of payment, remember one thing, most of you is click on done. After, when it shows the payment is complete, click on done. It will direct you to the link is open, the PDF will open. From there, click on download symbol, you will download the PDF. So this is brief last minute strategy, guys. Just prepare these 3 guest papers and VSAQs, which is given in the description. You will get maximum marks. I assure you, you will get 100% good marks. If you want more last minute preparation tip, or if you have any concern regarding this, you can write in the comment. Thanks for watching. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. If you want any other video on last minute preparation, write in the comment. Thanks for watching.